Hello everyone, hope you are well and welcome back on my channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you a detailed review and a demonstration about Trangia 25-2 UL Cookset. This is a fantastic piece of kit for anyone who loves outdoor cooking, whether you are camping, hiking, or you enjoy a day out with the nature. Let's just have a look on it. Trangia is very lightweight and a compact cooking set. Let's just open it. It includes one kettle, saucepan, another saucepan, a windscreen, and a famous Trangia spirit burner. Everything fits neatly together into a small portable package, making it perfect for your outdoor adventure. Let's just start making the burner. So let's just put this way, and then you just need to put this windscreen on top of this, and the burner will go just in there. And your firebox is ready. One of the standout features of Trangia Cookset is its build quality. The pots and pans are made of ultra light aluminium, which is not only durable but also helps to keep the overall weight down. The wind screen is also made of lightweight aluminium and is designed to provide excellent protection against the wind, ensuring efficient cooking even in breezy conditions. Now let's just see Trangia in action. Just need to put methylated spirit, I think we pronounce like this, methylated or methylated spirit, in this burner, which I've got in this fuel bottle. So this I bought from Amazon. This is very safe to carry, and then you can see it has got some locks, and you can just use it from there to put spirit in the burner. So let's just put some spirit in the burner. I'm just going to boil some water in this kettle. So let's just put this burner in there and just put some light. While this is boiling, let me just tell you some other benefits. This is frying pan, which you can use for frying eggs, or to make some chicken patty or beef patty or anything, whatever you like. I mean, you can use it for frying. This is for boiling. I mean, you can cook rice, or you can make porridge in it, or you can even boil eggs. So yeah, this is complete set for outdoor camping, or whatever is your mission. Alright, so you can see it only took 6.5 minutes, you can say, or 7 minutes or 6 minutes for the water to get boiled. Which is perfect for to making tea or coffee.
Don't know how I can explain. 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어. 나 왜 이런 걸까? You're the cure to all my pain.